Hello everyone. So today I will discuss about what is IP address. So look at this phone. The moment it connects to the internet, it's like magic. Light beams link to the apps like YouTube, WhatsApp and Google. But behind this magic, there's something simple. The phone is showing its IP address just like you tell your home address for a courier. Your phone tells its IP so the internet knows exactly where to send the data. And this magical number is called an IP address. Just like your home has a number so people can find it, your device has an IP address so the internet can find you. Without this, no apps or website could ever reach your phone. So this is IPv4, the older version of IP. It has 4 number blocks. When it was created, it could give about 4 billion unique addresses. At that time, it felt more than enough. But today, with billions of mobile laptops and smart devices, IPv4 addresses are running out. Now comes IPv6, the future of the internet. Instead of 4 blocks, it has 8 blocks like this. The number of addresses is so huge, it feels almost unlimited. Enough for every person, every mobile, even every fridge and car in the world. IPv6 is not only bigger, it's also faster and more secure. This is the internet of tomorrow. Now you know, without an IP address, the internet would not even know where to send your YouTube videos, WhatsApp messages, or Google searches. It's your device's identity on the web. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.